through three really common mistakes that I see on the homepage and really quick fixes that you can do right now to really improve conversion rates on your homepage. So the first one is talking about yourself too soon. So when I'm writing a homepage, I actually don't start talking about the client or the business until probably about 2/3 down the page. The first part of the homepage is just all about the reader. It's all about the benefits you provide for them, the problems you solve for them, and why they should care. So the worst thing I see is vision statements and mission statements on a homepage straight away, or using the word we do this or I do this. No, no, no. It should all be you, all about the reader until quite far down the page. So that's mistake number one. Mistake number two is this idea of the junk drawer homepage. So that's where you just kind of pile everything on there and hope that something will stick. What we want to do is make your homepage a shop front. So only put the bits that people need to see in order to go in on your homepage. So mistake number two is don't make it a junk drawer. A mistake number three is not including the benefits on there. So often for service businesses, I see headline, you might have a subhead or an intro statement, and then you're straight into your services. Before you do that, make sure you include benefits. So what are three top benefits that people get from working with you? Lay those out first and then go into your services afterwards. So that's mistake number three. So mistake number one was talking about yourself too soon. Mistake number two is being a junk drawer and not a shop window. And mistake number three is not including benefits near the top or right at the top of your page. All right, and I include all of this kind of information in my website Words Workshop, which is opening next week on the 1st of March. So I'll have more on that for you next week. I'm really, really excited about it, but I just wanted to see how's your homepage converting right now. If there are some mistakes, if there's things that you can improve on, please put those three tips into action and maybe consider the website Words Workshop, where I'll teach you loads more about every page on your site and how to make it a conversion hotspot.